Anyway, I just can't tell you enough how proud I am of each and every one of you and of all your teachers and all the adults that support you for what you're doing here at Thornville Elementary. It's so important because, you know what? At the end of the day, we all have to live together, right? We all have to treat each other with kindness, treat each other with compassion, because, as we all said, other people matter. We were talking in the car on the way here, who are the other people? Who are the other people? Well, I thought, well, you know, you're probably looking at me and saying, he's kind of old, isn't he? Well, old people are other people sometimes. You all are other people sometimes, right? It wouldn't be nice if I was mean to one of you, right? You want me to, you matter, so I'm gonna be nice to you, right? And moms and dads are other people sometimes, and teachers are other people sometimes. We're all kind of other people, and so if we all be nice to each other, it's going to be a beautiful place. So you have a beautiful place here at Thornville Elementary, and I just want to say congratulations and keep up the great work. Yeah, let's give it a big round of applause.